Beneficial Juggling presents Siteswap. Siteswap is the process of naming throws as numbers. Take a look at this picture. The even numbers stay isolated in one hand, while the odd numbers go across between your hands. Let's start with juggling even numbers. The number 2 means you hold it, because you don't have to juggle 2 if you're holding it with 2 hands. And this is how you juggle 4, which is why throws that are thrown up and down in one hand are called 4s. They're still called 4s even if you're only juggling 2. You can throw one ball up and catch it in the same hand. That's still called a 4. Now let's look at the odd numbers. Let's start with a 3. This is how you juggle 3 balls. This is the most basic pattern called a cascade. You throw the balls across from hand to hand and they have arc. They go up and come down. A 1 is a flat toss in between hands. No arc. Now let's combine 3s and 1s to get a shower pattern. Flat tosses on the bottom, going underneath passes from hand to hand that have arc. When you replace the 3s with 4s, it's no longer a shower, it's a box. It looks like a square with sides. Watch the green ball in the middle while we switch from 4-1-4 to 4-4-1. Now we will do 2 high throws followed by 1 flat toss. Now you'll notice the middle ball changes. In the box pattern, the green ball stayed in the middle. But in the 4-4-1 pattern, when you do 2 4s followed by a 1, the middle ball will change. When you juggle 4 balls, there's inside 4s and there's outside 4s. You can throw the balls over or under the previous throws. So you can apply that to the 4-4-1 as well. Inside, outside. Inside, outside. 5s. What makes a 5 is the height plus the speed in between the throws. These 3s are as high as those 5s were, but do you see how much slower my hands are moving to keep the pattern going? This 3-ball flash is called 5-5-5-0-0 because it leaves both my hands empty, where 2 other balls would be in a 5-ball pattern. This 4-ball pattern is called 5-3-4. It's a high cross followed by a low cross followed by a no cross. This 4-ball Siteswap pattern is called 5-5-5-1. What is beneficial juggling? We're a non-profit organization founded by jugglers who feed, house, and educate youth in developing countries. We believe humans are one team on one planet, and we're working together to create a brighter future for humanity and planet Earth.